stop buying lip balm. Hello guys, so winter is here, okay, and everyone basically uses lip balm, especially those that live in a very cold climate, and I'm one of those people. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Chika Kelly and I'm a certified esthetician. And this is Chi Kelly Beauty. Chi Kelly Beauty is all about skincare. So if this is your first time and you love what you're watching, you love what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And as we are talking right now, please hit the like button and like this video. Is the least you can do is to like the video so that it will help YouTube to spray it to a wider audience. Thank you so much. And for my regular visitors, I love you so much. Now I'm going to tell you that because a lot of people spend so much money on lip balm, and most of the lip balm does not do what it says on the tin. Yes, I have tried it, I have tested them, and I stopped buying lip balm. Okay, a lot of them actually, most time they will cause issues on my lips. This is a remedy that works. This remedy is tested, trusted, and very effective, and it's not going to cost you that much money. So stop buying lip balm. If you're one of those that have spent so much money buying lip balms, stop buying lip balm. Okay? Stop buying lip balm. Now, I am going to show you one of those remedies. Very easy, very effective, and very, very simple. Okay? This is the remedy, okay? I'm going to show you two skincare ingredients, skincare products that works, and I'm going to tell you how I use them. Okay, this is Vaseline. This is the original Vaseline. Okay, I use this thing every single day, whether in the winter, whether in the summer. I don't go to bed without putting this on my lips after shower, after cleansing my skin. This is how I use it, okay? Because remember, Vaseline is an occlusive ingredient. So in order for it to work and for it to be effective, okay, you has to put something, a hydrating ingredient that will trap the moisture so that it will do what? It will last longer. And Vaseline is usually for very dry skin, chapped lips, dry lips. Okay, and it's very good for healing dry, chapped lips. So what I do is I put a little bit of water on my lips. That's all you need, plain water. To keep your lips hydrated, you just put water on your lips and you then put your Vaseline on top. And it will stay all night. And when you wake up in the morning, you will see how hydrated and how soft your lips are. Okay, now the second ingredient is coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil is very, very good. People don't know how effective coconut oil is. Coconut oil also heals dry and chapped lips. And also another tip, coconut oil is very effective for someone that has dark lips. You have sunburn on your lips, or maybe you use a particular skincare product that made your lips dark. Keep using coconut oil and you will start to notice that your lips is getting a little bit lighter. It can make your lips go back from dark to pink. Okay, the same way I put a little bit of water on my lips and then I put my coconut oil on top. Okay, And then the third remedy is you try as much as you can to do a little bit of body scrub on your lips once in a while, or even your toothbrush. Just use it softly, brush your lips, brush and brush, so that you keep your lips soft, you keep it that moisturized and keep it hydrated. That's all you need. Stop spending money on lip balm. To be honest with you, I've used this, I've tried it. Remember, I've been doing skincare for almost 15 years, and I'm telling you, this is what works for me. I don't know about you. Leave a comment below in the comment section. Have you tried this remedy? Is there any lip balm that you know that you're using that has worked for you? Or is there anyone that you think you can recommend for elder people to use? Are you a fan of Vaseline? Are you a fan of coconut oil? Drop your comment there. I want to see them, and I'll try as much as I can to reply them. Okay, I hope you've liked this video, and I hope you've subscribed if you haven't. Thank you so much, my favorite people, and I'm so grateful for all your support. See you in my next video. Ciao.